Society has consolidated its presence in construction with great and wonderful structures, but no one talks about the equipment that enables their creation. Today, you'll not only learn about these technologies, but you'll also discover how advanced they are. It's time to start talking about the Cauldron Foundation. This innovative alternative to traditional foundation and construction methods, such as concrete slabs on the ground, has over 2 decades of experience. The system completely eliminates the use of concrete and polystyrene foam. Instead, it uses foam glass, a material with over a century of testing and development known for its durability and insulating efficiency. Wait, we're just getting started. Look, did you know that one of the key benefits of the Cauldron base is its minimal environmental impact and low carbon footprint, contributing to more sustainable construction? In addition, it ensures a healthy indoor environment as it is emission-free and meets strict environmental quality standards. Its fast and safe construction is possible thanks to prefabricated cellular glass elements that guarantee high thermal and structural performance in the long term. This innovative system not only offers resistance to moisture, insects, and fire, but also eliminates the need for long drying times before construction can continue. This allows projects to proceed efficiently and without interruption, meeting today's demands for speed and efficiency in residential and commercial construction. This technology is a marvel for the construction industry, but wait until you see the next one. It will leave you speechless. The Lixil X1 is a powerful 3D scanner that combines LiDAR technology, cutting-edge construction technology, visible light and motion cameras, and high-precision inertial sensors with SatLab's next-generation SLAM technology. This innovative system enables real-time preview of data and scene reconstruction, as well as immediate export after scanning, eliminating the need for post-processing and simplifying workflows to increase efficiency. This versatile system allows scans to be easily resumed from points of interruption, facilitating the segmentation of surveys into convenient sections. It provides up to 60 minutes of continuous operation and can be easily mounted on UAVs and other mobile mapping vehicles. But in size, you won't believe it, because measuring 138 by 90 by 381 millimeters and weighing less than 1.9 kilograms with battery, the Lixil X1 is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for a variety of mobile scanning and mapping applications. Its power consumption is less than 30 watts, ensuring efficient and sustainable operation. The Lixil X1 stands out not only for its ability to perform precise and detailed scans, but also for its ease of use and adaptability to different environments and situations. Its advanced technology allows it to capture high-resolution data even in variable lighting conditions and challenging terrain. And this is just the beginning, because what comes next defies the logic of construction. void-tek is a revolutionary time and cost-saving edging system used to fully adhere the perimeter of synthetic turf. void-tek is comparable in price to wood edging for synthetic turf installations, but without the drawbacks associated with wood edging, such as rot and visible fasteners. The void-tek system offers a fully integrated, natural profile finish that provides a more authentic and aesthetically pleasing appearance to the artificial turf edge. This fully adhered and folded edge provides a strong and durable bond. In addition to its enhanced and natural finish, void-tek is notable for its flexibility. It can conform to any curve or radius, making it ideal for gardens and areas with complex or irregular designs. And you can't miss the incredible things I'm going to tell you about these construction kits. This adaptability not only facilitates installation, but also ensures that the artificial turf looks perfect and blends in well with any environment. One of the key benefits of void-tek is its ability to extend the life of synthetic turf. By eliminating edge failures, it reduces the need for frequent repairs and maintenance, resulting in significant time and cost savings in the long run. The durability of the perimeter edge is also significantly superior, providing a robust defense against dogs and wild animals that may attempt to lift or damage the turf. If this has impressed you, get ready for what's next, because your expectations will be exceeded with the next advances in construction. The future of building technology and its implications? Meet Unibar H, which truly expands your possibilities by allowing for a more flexible and detailed design. By providing all necessary components with maximum geometric variation, this system not only simplifies the installation process, but also ensures that every part of the project is available for building information modeling, BIM. This means you can digitally visualize and coordinate every aspect of the design, optimizing efficiency and reducing errors during construction. And if you thought that was amazing, wait until you see the ability to customize the system to meet specific needs, even in complex architectural situations. Demonstrates flexibility and commitment to customer satisfaction. With a focus on ease of use, all parts are pre-assembled and detailed instructions ensure hassle-free installation. Even after installation, the ability to modify or change individual parts ensures that you can adapt the design to the changing needs of the project. Unibar H not only offers advanced structural solutions, but also sets a high standard in terms of efficiency, flexibility, and quality in the planning and execution of architectural and construction projects. This discovery marks the beginning of a new era in construction. We are entering a world of innovation that'll change the way we build. The road printer is not only an innovation in block paving, it redefines efficiency and capacity in road construction. By allowing an entire section of road to be paved from the edge to center in a single pass, it eliminates the need for intensive manual labor by masons. This not only increases productivity, but also improves working conditions by reducing the physical strain on workers. In addition, the Dutch government's support by investing in safe and durable construction methods provides a unique opportunity for those who want to adopt advanced technologies, such as the Road Printer Eco. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Those subsidiary programs and tax deduction schemes such as VAML and MIA, buyers can receive a significant discount on the purchase price, making this innovative paving machine more accessible and cost-effective. By incorporating the Road Printer Eco into your projects, you will not only improve the efficiency and quality of road paving, but also contribute to sustainability and the modernization of construction practices in line with current trends towards safer and more efficient methods. If you thought one technology was incredible, the next one will leave you in awe. Geoform as a construction material is characterized by its versatility and efficiency in geotechnical projects. Its composition of extended or extruded polystyrene in large, lightweight blocks not only meets the stringent ASTM D6817 standards, but also offers significant advantages in terms of project control and management. These geofoam blocks, which typically measure 2 meters in length and 0.75 meters in width and height, are ideal for a variety of applications. From land stabilization and fill for roads and platforms to supporting structures and foundations, geofoam enables precise design and efficient execution. And you will be impressed by this. Using geofoam, engineers and contractors can optimize their project designs, adjust construction schedules to meet client needs, and minimize material and labor costs. This results in more effective management of resources and time, ensuring consistent and high-performance results on geotechnical projects of all sizes. Geofoam's ability to provide complete control over the end result makes it the preferred choice in the industry. We must talk about this new advancement that'll undoubtedly revolutionize the construction industry. How to use technology to improve your construction process. Ricochet Flexible Wall Protection not only provides exceptional resistance to wall damage, but also offers a versatile and aesthetically pleasing solution for demanding environments such as healthcare. Its exclusive coating and thickness of 0.032 to 0.040 inches are specifically designed to protect against bumps, scratches, and abrasions, keeping walls in optimal aesthetic and functional condition. This innovative material was formulated to withstand the constant use of aggressive chemicals commonly used in hospital cleaning, ensuring it remains clean without degradation, even after repeated exposure to harsh cleaners. Although nothing could be more surprising than this. In addition, its ability to completely remove stains, marks, and graffiti without damaging the surface makes it easier to maintain and extends the life of the coating. Complementing Ricochet with matching corner guards and trims not only enhances the aesthetics, but also strengthens the overall wall protection. The option of Ricochet in Type 2 for low-traffic areas provides additional flexibility, ensuring it adapts to different design and use requirements in less demanding environments. Not only is Ricochet a practical solution for wall protection in critical environments such as hospitals and clinics, but it also offers durability, ease of cleaning, and aesthetics that meet the highest standards. And we're just getting started, because the next technology is truly breathtaking and takes it to another level. More than just a simple temporary flooring system, i-trac is an advanced solution for mobility on challenging terrain. Its composite and interlocking design not only provides a continuous surface for vehicle traffic, but also ensures exceptional resistance to extreme static loads, making it an ideal choice for outdoor events, construction, and military operations. What sets i-trac apart is its versatility and adaptability. Unlike traditional metal systems, i-trac is corrosion resistant and resistant to most chemicals, making it suitable for a variety of industrial and construction environments. In addition, its electrical insulation capability provides an extra layer of safety in environments where sensitive equipment is handled. We cannot fail to mention that i-trac's ease of installation is another key benefit. With its integrated connection system and attachment points for accessories, it allows for quick and easy installation, even in adverse conditions. A single operator can cover large areas in a short time, optimizing resources and improving operational efficiency for temporary projects or large events. Finally, we encourage you to like and subscribe to the video. If you want to see more of our content, you can visit our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated.